Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee and today I am going to tell about synchronous mode and asynchronous mode, or synchronous transmission and asynchronous transmission in internet. When we use internet, then we either use at the same time and on live, then that is synchronous. Like example is like a chat room, when both parties or more than two parties are using internet and computer at the same time, computer or mobile, anything, at the same time of space, and they are in a live group, and then that is called synchronous mode transmission. They using internet and other resources at same time or same space of time, and use live programs. Then that is called synchronous. And asynchronous transmission is it is not necessary that parties attend at the same time of space or same time. They may be use one time and another may use another time. For example, email. When we send email, then we notice that many times we receive reply after few days, and we read many times that email either a few hours, after few hours, or after few days. So in that type of transmission, both parties using internet but not at the same time. They also use the computer and mobile or anything, that resources, but not at the same time. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are requested to subscribe my channel, like, comment to my video. Thank you.